Crypto family, are you seeing the charts? Pi Network is flashing red warning signs. Correction imminent. Technical indicators are screaming. Price drop potential. After that massive 200% surge, is Pi Network about to crash back down to earth? But hold on, amidst the correction clouds, there's a huge push for app development. Is this a sign of long-term growth or a distraction from short-term pain? Is Pi Network heading for a correction collapse or an app ecosystem comeback? Get ready for a Pi Network correction warning and an app development deep dive, coming right now. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your emergency signal decoder for the crypto markets mixed messages. Gold Rush here, and today we are deciphering the latest signals coming out of Pi Network, and they are confusing, to say the least. We're seeing technical indicators flashing correction warnings, suggesting a potential price drop after that incredible surge. But at the same time, the Pi Network team is making a major push for app development, trying to build out the ecosystem and drive long-term value. Are these conflicting signals? Is this a short-term correction before long-term growth? Or is the hype about to fade? We've got two critical articles to dissect, one sounding the alarm about a potential Pi Network price correction, and the other highlighting the exciting app development initiative. Whether you're a seasoned Pi Network miner or a crypto trader trying to read the tea leaves, you are in the exact right place to get the Pi Network signal breakdown you need. Get ready for a Pi Network correction analysis and an app ecosystem exploration. Let's decode these mixed signals. Let's start with this cautionary article from beInCrypto.com, throwing some cold water on the Pi Network price party. The headline is a stark warning. Pi Network indicators suggest a strong correction could happen soon. Strong correction soon. After that massive surge, is the pump about to turn into a dump? Let's see what beInCrypto.com is revealing about these correction indicators. The DMI shows that buyers are still in control, but the narrowing gap between the plus DI and minus DI signals weakening bullish pressure. Meanwhile, PI's RSI has cooled off from extreme overbought levels, and its EMA lines hint at a potential trend reversal, putting its bullish outlook at risk. DMI showing weakening bullish pressure. RSI cooling off from overbought. EMA lines hinting at reversal. As you can see right here, from beInCrypto.com, the technical indicators are flashing red. DMI, that's the Directional Movement Index, folks, showing us buyer and seller strength, is signaling that the bulls are losing steam. The gap between the positive DI and negative DI is narrowing, meaning the buyers are getting weaker and the sellers are getting stronger. And RSI, the Relative Strength Index, telling us if an asset is overbought or oversold, is cooling off from extreme overbought levels. That means the buying frenzy is fading, crypto crew, and a correction could be imminent. PI's DMI chart shows that its ADX is currently at 37.6, after surging from 9 to 62.7 between yesterday and today. The Average Directional Index, ADX, measures the strength of a trend without indicating its direction. PI's plus DI is at 23.6, down from 57 yesterday, indicating weakening bullish pressure. The minus DI has risen to 20 from 1, showing an increase in bearish sentiment. ADX still showing strong trend, but direction shifting. beInCrypto.com is digging deeper into the DMI, and while the ADX, Average Directional Index, is still high, showing a strong trend, the direction is changing. Positive DI, bullish pressure, is plummeting, down from 57 to 23.6. Negative DI, bearish sentiment, is surging, up from 1 to 20. The trend strength is still there, folks, but the bullish direction is weakening fast, and bearish pressure is rising. This is a clear signal of a potential trend reversal. PI's RSI is currently at 52.2, after reaching an extreme high of 95 yesterday and staying above 70 for several hours on February 26th. Values above 70 indicate overbought conditions, suggesting that the asset may be overvalued and due for a pullback. The sharp pullback from extreme overbought levels suggests that profit-taking is occurring, increasing the likelihood of a temporary price correction. RSI correcting from overbought. Profit-taking increasing correction likelihood. beInCrypto.com is highlighting the RSI's dramatic drop from 95, extremely overbought, down to a neutral 52.2. That sharp pullback from overbought territory is a classic sign of profit-taking. Crypto family. Traders who rode the surge are now locking in gains, and that selling pressure is fueling the correction. The RSI is screaming. Pi Network was overextended. A pullback is healthy, but it could also be a sign of a deeper correction to come. If the trend reverses, the PI price could test support at $1.69. If this level is lost, it could continue to decline to $1.42. If even that support fails, Pi Network could drop as low as 0.8, marking a significant 68% correction. Potential 68% correction. Support levels at $1.69, $1.42, and potentially as low as 80 cents. BeInCrypto.com is laying out the worst-case scenario, a massive 68% correction if these support levels fail. 80 cents. That would be a painful drop for Pi Network holders who bought in near the top. These support levels, $1.69 and $1.42, are critical to watch. Crypto Crew. If Pi Network breaks below these levels, that 68% correction could become a reality. Gold Rush Crypto family. Are you glued to your Pi Network charts right now? Are you watching these technical indicators play out in real time? If you are tracking the Pi Network price action, if you are trying to navigate this potential correction, then hit that like button right now. Let YouTube know we need urgent Pi Network analysis. We need price updates. We need to prepare for potential downside. Smash like if you are watching Pi Network and feeling this market volatility. Let's GLO. But hold on, Pi pioneers, because amidst these correction warnings, there's a potentially game-changing development happening in the Pi Network ecosystem. Let's switch gears to CryptoTimes.io for some news that could be huge for Pi Network's long-term future. The headline is, Pi team urges pioneers to build apps on Pi Network. Pi Network urging app development. Is this the key to sustainable growth, even if we see a short-term correction? Let's see what CryptoTimes.io is revealing about this app ecosystem push. The Pi Network team is calling on developers to create apps for its widely distributed crypto-enabled ecosystem. In a recent tweet, the team welcomed new developers, urging them to tap into the platform's growing user base. For new developers, you're welcome to tap into this widely distributed crypto-enabled network, the tweet said. Pi Network team calling for app developers. Mobile phone with Arrow. CryptoTimes.io is reporting on a major initiative from the Pi Network team. They are actively recruiting developers to build apps on the Pi Network ecosystem. Welcome to tap into this widely distributed crypto-enabled network. That's a direct invitation to developers to come build on Pi Network, to create utility, to create value. This is a proactive move from the Pi Network team, signaling they are serious about building a real ecosystem, not just relying on hype. For developers who do not have a business model, there is a ready-made opportunity through Pi Art Network, which is a part of the Pi Network. This platform offers traffic and monetization possibilities so that the developers can concentrate on creating great apps. Ready-made opportunity through Pi Art Network. Monetization possibilities for developers. Moneybag. CryptoTimes.io is revealing that Pi Network is even offering a platform, Pi Art Network, to help developers monetize their apps. Traffic and monetization, that's what developers want, and Pi Network is providing it. This is a smart move to incentivize app creation, to make it easier and more rewarding for developers to build on Pi Network. This is about creating a thriving app ecosystem, folks, and that's huge for long-term value. Apart from the developers, the initiative is also useful for the general enhancement of the Pi PI and the Pi Network ecosystem. Pi Network also wants to increase the usage of its cryptocurrency by promoting app development. The Pi community has been progressing toward the creation of a decentralized economy, and this move is in line with the vision of the project. Enhancement of Pi and the entire ecosystem. Decentralized economy vision. CryptoTimes.io is connecting the dots. App development is not just about apps, it's about enhancing the entire Pi Network ecosystem, driving usage of Pi Coin, and building a decentralized economy. This is the long-term vision of Pi Network, folks, to create a useful, functional blockchain with a thriving app ecosystem. App development is the key to unlocking that potential, to moving beyond hype and building real utility for Pi Coin. Gold Rush Crypto family, what do you think about this Pi Network app push? Bullish on app development driving long-term growth. Do you think a strong app ecosystem can overcome a potential price correction? Let me know in the comments right now. Hashtag PiApps bullish or hashtag PiApps bearish. Cast your vote and tell me if you think apps are the answer for Pi Network's future. Let's get an app development opinion poll going in the comments. Bull or bear on Pi Network apps? Vote now. Let's weave these two Pi Network articles together and get a complete picture. Article 1 from beincrypto.com, correction warning, technical indicators flashing red, potential 68% price drop. Article 2 from cryptotimes.io, Pi Network urging app development, building a decentralized ecosystem, long-term growth potential. The narrative is complex, crypto crew. We have short-term correction risks, potential price downside, but we also have long-term ecosystem development, a push for utility, and a vision for a decentralized future. Is Pi Network facing a short-term correction before long-term growth? Is this app development push enough to weather the potential price storm? That's the million Picoin question we are all asking right now. I'm bringing you daily crypto gold, decoding the market signals, and keeping you informed and ready to trade. And one last thing. Subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single Pi Network update. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay ready to decode the crypto signals with Gold Rush. And as always, your crypto signal decoder, Gold Rush, reminding you, I am not a financial advisor. This is Pi Network signal analysis, price correction speculation, and app ecosystem exploration, not financial advice. Pi Network is a wild card in the crypto world, folks, high risk and highly volatile, so always do your own research and trade carefully. But correction warnings, app development push, mixed signals. This is a crypto story that's full of twists and turns, and it's going to be fascinating to watch unfold. Stay tuned to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for all the updates, all the analysis, and all the crypto gold as we decode the Pi Network signals together. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay decoding those crypto signals. Gold Rush out.